This is an automatic pneumatic station with 2 heating plant heat transfer machine. The operating process of this machine is the worker places the clothes and PET film at this position. The bottom plate rotates to the next position and the heating plant is pressed down. An automatic filtering function can be added to this position. After tearing off the PET film, the clothes are heat pressed again. In this position, the machine automatically connects the heat pressed clothes. The heating plant of this machine is thickening protection and the bottom plate thicker and stronger. This machine's automatic rotation and downward pressure. This machine have dual-cylinder pneumatic drive have greater pressures. This machine have servo integrated motor driver and in-flat laser alignment design.